And here we have a Workpro cordless pet nail grinder set. This is a 3.6 lithium ion rechargeable. So you don't need to change batteries. Has 2000 milliamp rechargeable battery already inside, and of course suitable for pet nail grinding. And it has multiple accessories, Type C charger, and 6 gear settings, so 6 levels. Let me take it out of here really quick and just to see what's inside. Oh, so it's on its own bag. I like that. So it's all in one place. Really cool. That's something I like. A little card just showing you what to do, and you can use it for what I'm thinking for. Anyway, it's for pet nail. That's it. And this is the operational instructions. This is the head for it. USB-C to Type A charger cable for it. This is the machine itself, and these are the attachments. Let me take the machine out real quick too. I like this. Really, really professional. Whoa, it actually feels good. Feels like a high quality tool. Doesn't feel cheap at all. And this is their switch on and off key right here. And you have the levels here when you turn it on. It's on right now. 2, 1, and that's it. You can go up to 6. Whoa. This thing flies. Wow. And this is the USB-C port for charging. That's nice and accessible. And how does this, the head part, oh, so you have to take this out if you're using it for pet nail grinding thingies. This is so cool. How do you block this? Oh, you just take it off. Okay, that's fair enough and simple enough. So you put the bits here. Really nice. Let me put the, I don't know, what would be a nail grinder here? A good one. So that's what's inside right now, with abrasive paper, flat polisher, cutter, wire brushes. Look at that. The where's the, yeah, for these papers here, use this one, this right here, sandpaper. And then you have the smaller one for the smaller sandpaper. And besides that, you have the pads here that are for cleaning and all that stuff. Yep, there's a lot of them. They're like kind of tiny sandpaper pieces. And besides that, we have the stones, of course, like grindstone that you see right here. And of course, the grinding bits that you see here. Let me, these are the pads that I meant. You have a little key here to do and undo things. For example, this one right here, you can use it like this to open this a little bit. Then you can put the sandpaper on it, and then you lock it back in so it expands that rubber just a little bit to hold the sandpaper, just like that. It should go nowhere now. Then you take the machine, undo this a little bit, and put it probably there. Should be fine. Don't want to overdo it either. And you can use this same little key now if you want to tighten this. Don't want to tighten it too much either, because you have to take it out at some later time. And this is the head for the nail grinding for puppies and whatnot. Has the opening here and the opening here, and you can do the selector on it like this. So you can change sides of it, or even the size, not only the sides. So it has 3 steps: small size, bigger one, and bigger one. And as you see, it opens the door bigger here, smaller here, and the smallest here. And you just clip it back in place. And at the same time, these 3 steps you see here serve to make this deeper or shallower, depending on your pet's nails. And to apply it, you just put this down in here and take it to the very end. And now you are ready to go. And just like that, I'm not gonna do it on a pet, because you know, that's a video here and we don't do that. But I'll do it on this little piece of plastic, which is similar consistency. I'm gonna leave it on 3 here. Wow. Oh yeah, this thing grinds down good. Now on a pet, you will not have those things falling apart, but look at that. Wow. This thing can go down. Let me put it on higher just for fun. 6. Oh, wow. I can't even feed the plastic through it fast enough. Wow, this is good. And let me put it in work mode really quick, because that is quite of interest to me. Let me put this out just a little bit. Take this out. Look at that. The sandpaper is barely touched. That's nice, actually. And let me put this grindstone thingy right here. I think that's more than enough. And I just want to test it real quick and see what it does here. Whoa. Wow. It actually made like a dent on it. This is really fast and really good. I like that. And I don't know if you ever been to a place that has a lot of rocks, and when the rain starts, you know that distinctive smell of the dry rocks being rained on? That's how this smells right now, because I did the grindstone on the metal, and it has that. I like that smell. Not gonna say I don't, actually. I would be lying. Okay. And of course, now I don't need to put every single attachment one by one, because you definitely get the point right now that it does work. And it's that easy to use, and it has more power than you would probably need from a small thing like this. Now I have some very rusty cutters, and let me put it on 1. You're gonna go slow with this thing. Wow. It's actually cleaning it good. I don't want to overdo it, because I have a cleaning solution already going on that I wanted to put those in, but look at that. There's no stopping it. Wow. Where have I been before I didn't know about this tool, actually? It is good. Look, literally all the rust is gone now. I don't know if the camera is actually showing you how good it got rid of that rust. This is a really good tool. I'm telling you right now, it is a great tool, not just good. Wow. And of course, when you do tooling like this, you're supposed to have this on, you know, for safety reasons, just like that. Then you can put attachments that you might be working with, like something like this to grind, and then make sure you always lock it just like that. And now we are ready to do things. Let me bring back this knife again. Just look at that. Now this is not what this was meant to do. Look at that. I made a quick dent right there on the knife. So that means this tool is actually powerful enough. I like this. And you have on, off, and lock. So from on, bring it to off, then lock, which is nice and easy, right? Boom. And right now, when it's locked, nothing can turn it back on by itself. Really, Workpro, you did a good job on this one.